So when I read your instructions on how to do this, you've got to like you got to go through all this stuff, right? In order to get it done. Okay? With wpengine, it's as simple as this. Create backup. And that's it. 2 minutes later, we have a zip file that we can download, and it's done. How come this thing, your system seems to be like way more involved than it should be? Why is this? I can't imagine how the typical WordPress person would use this. Please explain.